Hello, dear students. So, we will see two different ways that we can use to remove junk file from our Windows PC. Okay, so what are those two options, right? So, if we remove those files, our PC will become a little bit faster. Okay, so those files are of no use for us. So, first option is disk cleanup. In search bar, type disk cleanup. Here you can scan each drive one by one. First I will see C drive, and here it will show me the files that I can delete. Okay, and I will press OK. So total 6, approximately 5.49 GB of space. Okay, I will gain. So it will be deleted very soon, right? You can start it again and check for other drive. Here it will show you all the details of the files, right? And now the second process, press window plus R, and here type %temp percent. So these are the temporary files that you can delete. Approximately 349 MB. Let me delete them. You can skip if any file is not being deleted. Make sure you like this video and subscribe and stay connected for more informative videos.